Pod, non-story classy songs.
Hey, feeling alone, I stack up my bread, but ain't the same if I ain't got gang with me. If you my brother, then you was my brother. Ain't no reason for you to change on me. So why did you change? Said you would be there, but then you started moving strange. Damn, you were supposed to ride with me through everything. Took many years, I could make you a list. Said you'd never change, you got up and switch. Felt so many times I don't even trip. I'm a young nigga with a cocky demeanor. Stay on my toes like I'm a ballerina. Know they hate on me cause I do it cleaner. Life is a bitch, just watch how I beat her. Pour me a pint inside of a liter. Ay, to cope with the pain I've been in, I'm up on a mission, I gotta go get it before I see all of my family again. Pray God forgive me cause I ain't spoke with him, probably cause I know that he know I'm a sin. Had to chase money to cope with the pain, you can see it in my eyes and the way that I grin. Lately been feeling for more, been shedding tears inside of the booth. You know I'm ready for war. Call all my youngins, they off in the shoot. I got some brothers who really be with it. Pray God forgive me for the way that I'm living. Cause all up the pump, that boy think he can play me for a fool like Jiminy Cricket. Hey, feeling alone, I stack up my bread, but ain't the same if I ain't got gang with me. If you my brother, then you was my brother. Ain't no reason for you to change on me. So why did you change? Said you would be there, but then you started moving strange. Damn, you were supposed to ride with me through everything. I got on my side, but it's hard to do right. Maybe cause of all the niggas who left. Fuck showing love, I ripped out my heart and put that shit up into a check. For these bitches, they be fucking and scheming. They'll talk that shit like they not fucking with Chris. So I'm minding my business and stacking my digits. So all of my niggas is feeling alone. I stack up my bread, but ain't the same if I ain't got gang with me. If you my brother, then you was my brother. Ain't no reason for you to change on me. So why did you change? Said you would be there, but then you started moving strange.